Is your plug not fitting? Does the circuit keep tripping? You might using the wrong outlet. Hello everyone, I'm Hamim from Shanghai Linsky. Today I will explain the simple difference between 15A and 20A outlets so you can keep your home safe. Quick tip, the shape of the left slot tells all.
Here's the simple difference. A 20A outlet can handle more electricity, but it needs thicker wires. If you use thin wires with a strong outlet, you're creating a fire risk. Remember this rule. For appliances that run continuously or have high startup currents, like microwaves, air conditioners, power tools, always use a 20A outlet. For everyday small appliances, lamps, chargers, TVs, a 15A outlet is sufficient.
Critical warning, never use an adapter. Force a 20A plug into a 15A outlet. Never use a thin wire like 14 AWG for 20A circuit. You must use the thicker wires, 12 AWG or thicker. This is must for safety, no exceptions. Check the outlet near your microwave, AC or other big appliances. Look for a T-shaped hole on the left. That means it's a 20A outlet. If it's only a straight vertical hole, 15A, stop using the high-power devices there right away. Call a professional electrician to upgrade it.
In short, use 15A outlets for small, everyday things. Use 20A outlets for big, powerful appliances. Different holes mean different safety rules. Don't let the wrong plug start a dangerous fire in your home.